Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix videos not playing on Pinterest. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once the app loads, make sure you're signed in so you can troubleshoot the issue properly. Now open your profile by tapping the profile icon. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Scroll down through the settings page until you find the logout option. Sign out of your Pinterest account, then sign back in using the same method you normally use, such as Google or Apple. If the issue continues, close Pinterest and open your iPhone settings. Tap Battery to check whether any power-saving features are affecting the app's performance. If low power mode is enabled, turn it off and then reopen Pinterest. This can help restore normal app performance, including smoother video playback. If videos still aren't playing, restart your iPhone and open Pinterest again. A simple restart can refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches that may be preventing videos from loading. And that's how you can fix videos not playing on Pinterest using these simple troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.